This Black Friday, we are launching 6 new fall and winter Maniq colors. I'm fired up because these colors, they are absolutely stunning. I'm going to paint them out so you guys can see how beautiful they are. Check this out. The first color is Uniform Hoodie. This is a gloss color. This is such a beautiful deep purple. All right, the next color is Shock Yourself. Shock yourself. The next color is Shock Yourself. All right, so this is like an insane, like electric blue color. Gosh dang, this is unbelievable. This is going to look absolutely amazing on our customers. The next color is Dad Joke. Ooh, this is like, it's like a beautiful plum color. Oh my gosh, wow. The next color is Half Birthday. All right, all I want for my half birthday is this beautiful aquamarine color. All right, next color is Nickname Doom. Oh gosh. This is like that gray you see on that sick new sports car you wanna buy. When you put your second coat on, look at how absolutely beautiful this coverage is. And for the shimmer color, Bunny Bro. Bunny Bro. Remember you guys, take advantage of the Black Friday deals. 6 new Maniq colors launching this Black Friday. These are going to be spectacular. This is your opportunity to lock these colors in for fall winter. It's gonna make your services way more popular.
Subscribe the channel now. Subscribe the channel now. Sub and subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel